Imagine you're in the middle of a crucial video call, a presentation, or streaming a high-definition movie. Everything is going smoothly until, poof, your internet connection drops. Frustrating, right? Well, if you're an Ooma user, understanding the internet speed you need is crucial to avoid such disruptions. Ooma is a popular VoIP voice-over internet protocol service that offers a range of features, from crystal-clear voice calls to advanced call management tools. But for Ooma to work flawlessly, it relies on a stable and fast internet connection. Understanding your internet needs. The ideal internet speed for Ooma depends on several factors, including number of simultaneous users. If you're sharing your internet connection with multiple devices or users, you'll need a higher speed to ensure everyone has a smooth experience. Type of Ooma service. Different Ooma services have varying bandwidth requirements. For example, Ooma Office requires a higher speed than Ooma Home. Quality of service. QoS, your internet service provider, ISP, may prioritize certain types of traffic, such as video streaming or online gaming. If your ISP prioritizes VoIP traffic, you may be able to get away with a lower overall speed. Recommended speeds. Here are some general recommendations based on typical usage scenarios. Ooma Home. For a single-line home phone with occasional video calls, a minimum download speed of 1 megabit per second is usually sufficient. However, for a smoother experience, especially during peak usage times, a speed of 3 megabits per second or higher is recommended. Ooma Office. If you're using Ooma for a small business with multiple lines and frequent video conferencing, a download speed of at least 5 megabits per second is essential. For larger businesses with heavy VoIP traffic, a speed of 10 megabits per second or more may be necessary. Advanced features. If you plan to use advanced Ooma features like video conferencing, cloud recording, or faxing, you'll need a higher speed to accommodate the increased bandwidth requirements. Testing your internet speed. To determine your current internet speed, you can use a variety of online speed tests. Simply search for Internet Speed Test in your web browser and follow the instructions. Most speed tests will provide you with both download and upload speeds. Improving your internet connection. If your current internet speed is below the recommended range, there are several ways to improve it. Upgrade your plan. Contact your ISP and inquire about upgrading to a faster plan. Upgrade your modem or router. Outdated or low-quality equipment can significantly impact your internet speed. Consider upgrading to a newer and more powerful modem or router. Reduce interference. Wireless interference from other devices can slow down your internet connection. Try relocating your router to a less congested area or using a wired connection if possible. Optimize your network. Use a network analyzer to identify and troubleshoot any issues that may be affecting your internet performance. A reliable and fast internet connection is essential for a seamless Ooma experience. By understanding your specific needs and taking steps to improve your internet speed, you can ensure that your VoIP calls and other Ooma features run smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.